This is, I like to call it the Groupon snapshot. So this is built around people that are looking for this particular service and looking to hire someone right now. So it's a 3-step funnel with an offer claim page, an appointment booking page, where people can book a time for us to come and inspect the dryer vent, and then the confirmation page. Here we also have the automation. You see everything is labeled and organized appropriately, so it will not get mixed up with any other snapshots that you have. We have new leads, appointment confirmations. This is beefed up. It's not just a generic high-level recipe that's there. Birthday templates, database reactivation, follow-ups for people that didn't close, no-show reactivations, review requests. I think this is the only one that is based on the high-level recipe that came standard. This is great. This is great. And then it's built on custom values as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to name the service, the discount amount, the local area market. You're going to right-click the logo, paste that logo right here. You're going to put your agency name and email here, so when leads get sent to the business owner, they're sent on your behalf. And then once you get a domain connected, you're also going to put the domain for the calendar page and the lead gen page right here. So what you're getting right now is a very trustworthy, reliable snapshot that you can launch within 20 minutes and start generating leads for your clients as soon as today. What you're investing in is future updates, such as the full website that you're going to get. It's going to be a complete website. You're going to get email templates, social media templates, as well as more automation campaigns, long-term nurturing, testimonials, before and after, promotional campaigns. You're also going to get a prepay funnel for people that want to prepay for service before they can book. You're going to get a lot of future upgrades today by investing today. But you won't have to pay for those upgrades. Every time an upgrade gets implemented, the price is going to go up $297, $497, up to $1,000 or more, depending on how heavy we hit this snapshot with updates in the future. You will not have to pay an extra penny. Whatever you pay today, you're going to get all future updates. You're grandfathered in to all future updates. I appreciate you. I appreciate your business, and I hope you take the snapshot and go make yourself and your clients a whole lot of money.